Jackass Girls Edition, episode 7, and Athena, she has this very bad sneezing problem. Trust me, it's bad. It's disgustingly disgusting. She's sneezing crack. She gotta share some of that.
Out. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Where's your computer?
Downstairs where the dog is.
Haha, you can't get it. Haha.
You have your own computer. I'm not. Josh wants to. Why does he want to go on my computer? Because. You're still playing? We have to do that all over.
No, that's so funny. Like, someone walks in and you're sneezing. Let's see.
No, we have to do that all over.